In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar view to Trello. If you're through managing tasks with due dates, a calendar gives you a clear, at-a-glance timeline so you can spot busy weeks, adjust priorities, and keep deadlines on track without digging through lists. Start on the Trello board where your tasks live. At the top of the board, look for the view icon. This is the button that opens the board's different views. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a grid or a small views button near the board name. Click it. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding your browser window or reducing zoom so the top bar isn't truncated. In some workspaces, access to certain views can depend on permissions or plan features. If the button isn't available, check with your workspace admin later. But once you can open the view menu, you're in the right place. From the menu that appears, click Calendar. Trello will switch your board into a calendar layout. You'll see a monthly grid where cards with due dates are placed on the corresponding days. This gives you a visual map of your workload. If some cards aren't showing up, that's expected. Only cards with due dates appear on the calendar. The names of your cards are displayed on their dates so you can quickly scan what's coming up, and clicking any card from the calendar opens it in detail, just like it would from a list. As you review the calendar, notice how it helps you spot clusters of deadlines and potential conflicts. This makes it easier to plan ahead, align your team, and decide which tasks need attention first. If you use labels or members on your cards, they'll detail carry into the calendar view, helping you understand ownership and context at a glance. Any changes you make to card due dates are reflected consistently between the calendar and your board, keeping everything in sync. A few quick tips for using the calendar effectively. Keep card titles concise so they're easy to read on the grid, add due times for tasks that truly have a time-sensitive cutoff, and use labels consistently so your color coding remains meaningful when viewed across the month. If your team relies on weekly planning, use the calendar to review upcoming deadlines at the start of the week and make sure nothing important is stacked on the same day. And that's all there is to it. Click the view icon at the top, then click Calendar. With just those 2 clicks, you turn your Trello board into a clear visual schedule that makes planning and tracking deadlines much easier.